push this button, you will get an insanely stupid and random punishment, which probably makes you wonder, why would you press it? Well, one random press won't be a punishment, it will actually be $100,000. I grabbed all my friends, and what plays out in this video is hilarious. You guys get the point. By pressing that, you could win this $100,000 here for your sister, or you could get punished. But I don't see that. Yep.
Wear pants filled with mayonnaise. Before we make him put on mayonnaise pants, anyone else want to press it? Can't get worse than that. Break a 2x4 using only baby.
Wait, Chris says pants here. We have to mayonnaise it. Yum. It's gonna look like I took a dump. Oh no! Oh, I can feel things. That's my. Oh, yes! We're so close! Alright, let's go bash some babies against 2x4s. You're disgusting.
Here's a 2x4, and here's a baby. I don't know how you're gonna do it, but you gotta break that in half. Let's get to work. Oh, and if you need an extra baby, here you go. Okay, oh, if you need another one, there's another one. We're going two-handed.
While he's busy bashing babies, I'm pressing the button. Let's go!
What that means is when you get a punishment you don't like, you get to press this button and skip it. But you can only press it once.
Okay.
Nolan and Chandler, neither of you have pressed the button yet. One of you guys want to take a go? All right. Go home and flush your toilet. My home's in Nebraska. Just go to the hotel you're staying at.
Bye.
Okay. Let's go. Nolan is going to flush the toilet, Chris is showering from the mayonnaise, and Tags is still busting a 2x4 babies. Who's pressing it next? What says this next one's a punishment?
Years of knowing you says.
Pick someone and pie them in the face! Yes! Oh, Chandler, that could have been you! Oh, hey, look who just walked back. Did you read the TV? No. All right, guys.
I mean, it's a lot.
A lot of money. This $100,000 could literally pay for my sister's entire college tuition. They said I only had to use babies. Oh, hey, that baby stood no chance. Did you actually break it in half? Look what he's doing. Yeah, I might not have rushed that. If I'm doing a challenge, I don't.
You can find the face, right? I mean, yeah, you don't watch this video of Chris farting for 20 minutes. You'll watch Chris fart for 20 minutes. Chris fart over the line, guy out of mind, so what?
Funny. Oh, let's get it. Do 100 push-ups. I'm done with my punishment. Sort this bowl of M&Ms by color. 18, 19, 20. This might seem stupid and you probably want to quit. Oh, alright, never mind then. You think sitting in a corner is going to stop me from doing more punishment? You cannot push this button until you pee. So while you're sitting in this corner, Carl, here's some water. Woo, woo.
I'm flushing this toilet for you, Natalie. Let's go. My sister is worth all this pain. Oh, 60. Oh my God. 68. 69. You want to take a break, sorting M&M's, and go watch Chandler watch you fart for 20 minutes? That sounds nice. Hey, buddy, how's my farts? You're gonna get it sleep tonight, and it's all you're gonna hear looping in your head is my fart. I'm sure you're sadistic. I appreciate the get back to my M&M's. Nothing did mine. Oh my God, I'm so close. Mom, this is for you. 100. Woo! Congratulations on your 100 push-ups. kick a field goal. We rented a football field. I'll text you the address. You gotta go kick a field. All right, let's do this. 4 seconds. 3. Red Bull gives you 4. 1. Done. Go.
2 moments later.
Chandler is back. Let's see it. Pick a contestant to skip the next 10 turns. Me! We are supposed to pick someone else. One of the next 10 ones could be the winner. I doubt it. Chandler just expelled himself for 10 button presses. Nolan has literally been gone for an eternity. I'm gonna call him and see where he is. Nolan, where are you? You've been gone for like 3 hours. I've been gone for like
20 minutes, bro. What are you talking about? No, you haven't. It's literally been an hour and a half. If I want to win this 100 grand from my sister, I gotta get back as soon as possible. It's good. I have my pee bucket, my pee blanket, my pee... pre-pee.
That took forever. That's enough. Go give away $1,000 to 10 random strangers. I know you just got back, Nolan, but here's a briefcase with $10,000 and real money. Hey, sayonara. We're about
13 button presses in, and so far, so many crazy things have happened. Tags is currently kicking a field goal, Nolan is giving away money, Chris and Carl in corners, Chandler's playing video games. It's crazy. I can't wait to see who wins $100,000 for their sister.
I'm not leaving this corner until I pee. That's it. Turn, camera, 3. Oh, Jimmy! I take it you peed? Oh, it smells. This one's the 100K. This next press is $100,000. I'm feeling it. Ready? Beat Minecraft. Carl now has to beat Minecraft on a brand new world for a better chance at winning $100,000 for my sister right now. Jimmy, I'm done. Oh, come on. Why is that gotta be mine? Come on. Press it again. You brought it back. Let Carl draw whatever he wants on your face. I need a moisturizer and I need a marker. And a Carl. Before Carl draws on your face, moisturize your right arm. Oh, Carl. What are you doing? Carl gets to draw whatever he wants on your face. I'm gonna go check on tags. I'll be right back. Since Jimmy isn't here, if I don't like it, I can just not do it. Get a 1-hour massage. Right here. And they said they were punishments. All right, this might seem like a good thing, but technically for the next hour, you can't press the button. 100 grand massage? Sorry, Mom. After 3 more presses, Chandler can start playing again. I got you, buddy. 2 more. FaceTime your 69th contact in your phone. I'm gonna kid you. Thank you. Bro, wear a princess helmet. For the duration of the video, you now have to wear a princess helmet. Let's go. Pick someone and send them to McDonald's wearing a Burger King costume. Hey, Tags, you wanna go to McDonald's? Yeah! Tags it is. Just finished giving away the $10,000. We're going back to press the button again. Pop this balloon with a marshmallow. Wait, what? Thank you. This is the best chicken I've ever.
Jump in a swimming pool fully clothed. There's no swimming pool here. Oh. Go find one.
Not joking, we're getting close to the $100,000 press.
Could I please get 2 Whoppers?
We don't have Whoppers.
I love how the guy is handcuffed after to do this, so it's even harder. It hurts so bad.
What's this?
Carl is not allowed to push the button for 5 turns.
Oh!
Can I use my button on that?
Yeah, you could actually.
Oh, it's around you.
All right, he skipped that punishment. Start a fire and put it out with the fire extinguisher.
You got
Go have fun. I love how the box is attached to the... Yes! That was his. What did you get? Give Jimmy $4.20 in pennies.
That seems simple enough.
Go find it.
Hey, anybody got pennies? Chandler, you got some pennies? You have some pennies?
No.
You got pennies? You got no pennies?
Fire?
Fire! 10!
No Nobody had pennies, so we're having to go to the gas station to get some. Give it a press. Maybe you wait. Do you think this is it? You wanna? Just kidding. You guys got one of the hardest ones. You have to paint this entire sidewall right here.
Come with me.
Oh my gosh, it's kind of working.
The pee!
Oh, it got all over me! You're gonna sit out the next two presses?
Yeah.
Chris, that's the 50th press. Build a gingerbread house. Okay, oh wait. Choose who pushes the button next. Carl, you got to pick.
I was gonna hit it next. Okay, I'll choose.
Yeah, so, well, yeah, I mean, you can pick.
I pick myself.
Oh, you're so disgusting, right? Hug you.
We can hug each other.
Let's go.